guess what I have in here. Guess. If you guess right, I'll give you a kiss. But if you guess wrong, no kiss for you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my page, whichever one, wherever you are watching it. Welcome. So what I have here is guava tea. You all know guava, right? The leaf, you get the leaf, you wash it very well, you boil it with a clean water and to give you this. So that is what I have here. If you want to lose like belly fat or overall fat, make this your friend. And if you also want to grow your hair, this should be your friend. Like, you need all that silky hair, looking shiny long hair, make this your friend and thank me later. This thing right here has a lot of health benefit that you don't know. Go make use of your Google and come back to say thank you, baby girl. Okay, yes, go and Google it and come back, say thank you. Okay, so I've been using it for a while and you guys, it is working like magic. Yeah, it is working. So go try it out. So go try it out and see for yourself. Okay, yeah, so all I do is get a guava leaf, wash it very well and make use of this water, this Eva water right here, any quantity I want. Maybe sometimes I use 2 of this full Eva, sometimes I use 1 depending on the amount of the guava leaf. So boil it very well. I usually boil it for like 2 days, like, you know, boil today, drink, and the next day I boil it. Then after that I'll put it inside here and put it in my fridge. So how to drink or how to take: first thing in the morning, first thing once you wake up after your morning prayer, everything, the first thing that should enter inside your tummy or your belly is this thing. Like, can make use of your glass cup or any cup of any cup of your choice. Then at night, after eating all the mende and, you know, delicacy, you also do the same thing. This should be the last thing you take before going to bed. Yeah, and for your hair, you can put it in your spray bottle, spray it to your hair, your scalp, everywhere. If you want to use it to rinse your hair after your hair wash, that is also good. You guys, I'm sweating so much because I just got back from work and I already have in mind in making this video for you guys, so that is why I just need to make it real quick. Then I need to go take my shower. Okay, so let me show you guys what I mean by using it on your hair. This is my little spray bottle, so I'm just adding small amount. Please, before boiling this, make sure you wash it very well, guys. Let it be well washed. So let's take this out. You can see how my hair is growing under this braid. So So guys, maybe while editing this video, I'm going to put up some health benefit of this tea, or maybe you can just go to Google and do it yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Please subscribe.
Welcome back to my channel. Nanokoro. Welcome back to my channel. Nanokoro.